Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So last class we have seen how to install Anaconda Navigator, and also we have seen how to install VS Code, and we have seen we have seen how to create the virtual environment using the Conda, right? And also we have seen the comparison between the Conda and the UE package managers. I like to tell something, guys. So in this series for generative and agentic AI series, so the Python is very much prerequisite, is a needed knowledge for the Python to go ahead for this class, okay, to continue this class. So if you are familiar with the Python and you have the experience with the Python, you can skip these videos, okay. I am planning to make like more than 20 to 25 videos on the Python basics, okay. And if you are familiar with the Python, you can skip these videos and you can go through for the next level of the project continuation, right? So today's class we are going to see about is from the basic from the Python level, the syntax and semantic in Python, okay. So I have give you the video outline what we are going to see here. So if you see here in video outline, we are going to see about the single line commands and multi-line commands, and also we are going to see about the definition of syntax and semantics, okay, and basic syntax rules in the Python, and understanding the semantics in Python, okay, and common syntax error, and also how to avoid them, and practical code examples. So now we are going to see what is meant by syntax and the difference between syntax and semantics, okay. So if you go through this definition, syntax refer to set of rules that define the combination of symbols, okay, that considered to be correctly structured program in the languages. In simpler terms, syntax is about the correct arrangements of words and symbols in code, okay. Guys, let me tell you the example, okay. The syntax is nothing but, in simpler terms, you can see here, okay, correct arrangements of the words and symbols in the code, okay. And semantics is nothing but, it's a interpretation, okay, interpretations of the symbols, characters and commands in language. It's about what code supposed to do and when it runs, okay. So this is a definition, guys, which is majorly it's not required right now, okay, but I'm planning to give some basic terms of the definition too right here in this particular video. So let's go to the example, what is syntax and what is semantic, okay. If you see here the syntax, okay, so now let me show you. I have given a as a variable and I have assigned 5, okay, and I have given b which I have assigned 2, okay. Just see here, I have given 5 inside double quotes, okay. If you give the number inside double quotes, the data type will contain as a string, okay. But if you not give inside the double quote, which this Python automatically understand, this 2 is integer and this 5 is string, okay. So now what I'm trying to do, addition of this a plus b here, okay. Print a plus b. What it happens, I'm getting the error here, okay. See here, the type error, okay, the cell 17 line 4 a is this, a is equal to 5 and b equal to 2, and print a plus b can only contain str, not integer, okay. So this is a kind of like semantic error, okay. This syntax is correct, whatever the syntax we have given is correct, but the data type we have changed, right? This seems to be a semantic error. So if you see in the comments, I have mentioned correctly, syntax is correct but semantics is wrong, okay. So to avoid this, what you need to do, just command this, okay, and print what I am trying to do here. If you see here what I am trying to do here, I am printing a, I am converting a as an integer. So if you see here, int a plus b, okay, int a plus b. If I run this particular syntax, I will get the output. You got it, guys? what is meant by syntax, what is meant by semantic. Got it? So for particular example, I am showing here the a equal to 5 and b equal to 2. Okay, but in a the data type which I have mentioned is string. Okay, but in b the data type which I have mentioned is integer. So when I try to print both a and b in addition, I'm getting the wrong semantic information. Because of wrong semantic information, I'm getting error. Okay, now what I'm trying to do here, I'm just printing int of a plus b, then I'm getting the output. Instead of, you can run this print statement if you remove this double quotes. Okay, now what I'm trying to do here, I'm just commenting here and I'm taking this information, I'm running now, you will getting the output. Okay, fine. I think you have understand better what I'm trying to teach here. Okay, guys, let's see one more examples of this syntax and semantic. Okay, so basically Python is a case sensitive. Okay, Python is case sensitive. What is meant by case sensitive? So for example, I have given name equal to Abhinantu. Okay, and also name equal to Krishnasamy. Two names. Okay, these two names I have given in with different characters. Means the first, the variable which I have mentioned as n in lower case. Here I have in the n which I have mentioned in upper case. Okay, but Python, what it considered, it will not take both name as a single one, but it will take us both as a separate variables. Okay, so for example, I am just commenting this. Okay, I am running now. You will get only the output of Abhinantu, right? You will get only the output of Abhinantu. If you want a Krishnasamy, you need to print the uppercase name also here. Okay, the uppercase name also here. If you uncomment that print and if you run the output, you will get Abhinandu Krishnasamy. Got it, guys? You understand what is syntax and semantic, and also Python will work only in the case sensitive part. Okay, you have a good understanding on this part. I hope you understand both what I have teacher right now. Okay, let's go to the next topic, indentation. Okay, indentation. What is meant by indentation? Guys, indentation is a nothing but in other program languages. Okay, in other program languages, if you want to in other program languages, if you want to write something after the information, you need to give the open brace and close brace kind of things, like a C++ and Java. You need to give this kind of information. But in Python, we no need to do we no need to do kind of like an update like in brace. Okay, so let me talk about the indentation definition. Okay, the indentation is in the Python is used to define a structure and hierarchy of code. Unlike many other programming language that use brace, to delimit blocks of code, Python use indentation to determine the grouping of statement. This means that all the statement within the block must be indented at the same level. Got it, guys? Okay, let me tell you in example. Okay, right now I have give one example for this indentation. Okay, indentation is nothing but actually, for example, now see here, I have given one variable name equal to Abhinandu. Okay, and this function definition is calling. Okay, now I'm creating one function. In the function I have created, okay, the greet as a parameter name. Okay, as a parameter name. If you see here, name I already given as an Abhinandu. Okay, now I'm just printing hello, name, and printing welcome. guys see here. So this definition, okay, this function def greet name, and after name, if you see the print, okay, the print is coming, it has a space between the definition, okay, same like functions, okay. So it need to come inside this function, the print need to come inside this function, then only it will take over all the information and it will provide you the output, right? So indentation is nothing but, instead of your open, if you creating a open brace and close brace, and inside that open and close brace you are writing the print statement in other language, but in Python you are not using this open and close brace, you just printing inside the function, then the Python, what it understand, it automatically pick up, okay, this print statement, this both print statement is coming under this function, so I will take it up this and I will give you output. This is the exact functions of this indentation, okay guys. Okay, so what it does, I'm just running this output, okay, it giving me hello Abhinandu, welcome. Okay, we go for next. Okay guys, the same information, okay, see, I will tell you I will give you the best example. If you see here, function definition greet name, and I'm inside the function, I'm giving a print, okay, but here what I'm doing, function greet name, but not inside the function, I'm just giving where the function is get started, I just giving the print hello command name. Guys, this will work? Tell me, this will work? No, this will not work. See, this will cause indentation error. This will cause indentation error because this print is not come inside the definition, it will come under definition, okay, under function it will came up, so it will giving the error to you, okay. So now you got a good understanding of indentation, how it is getting work, guys. Okay, so let us see one more example. For example, just I'm giving a age is equal to 32. If I'm just applying the condition, if age is greater than 30, print age, okay, and also print age. It will print both. It will print both because you have given the variable as an age. So you have, but see here, what it does. This if condition, inside this if condition, you have given the if print statement, okay. So if this condition pass, this will print, okay. If this condition pass, if this condition not pass, also this print will work, okay. So only you will getting these two output, okay guys. And going for the next, you see here the command, okay, the single line command and multiple line command. The single line command, you know, if you need to command, you need to click control / it will make a command, okay, it will make a command, or you can click the hash for that, so it will give you a command. So this line you can include into the command. So that's it guys, it's very simple for the commenting. And going for the line contribution, okay. So this line contribution is like it's amazing guys. This is the amazing thing in the Python level, okay. So if you see this a line continuation, okay, line continuation is a kind of like now I'm assigning some variable, okay, as a total, and I'm adding like a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then I'm continuing the same in 4 5 6, okay. If you give backslash, it will, the next line also will get continue and it will give you an output. So if you run the output, I'm getting the total of 43, right? Understand guys? If you not understand, just comment, just put the comments on your part. I try to improve my the explanation too, right? Okay, let's go for the next one. So till now what we have seen, the syntax and semantic, what is meant by syntax, what is meant by semantic, what is indentation, and we have seen the single line command, okay, we have seen the single line command and / continue statements, to the next line, okay, and also we have seen the multiple statement on the single line. Okay, what is meant by multiple statement on single line? See, I am assigning x equal to 5 and y equal to 10, and I am giving a z equal to x plus y. I will get the output. Okay guys, why I am explaining this is going to be the basic of this Python level. Okay, first you need to continue on this project to make sure you need to have a good understanding whatever I'm going to teach here. This kind of level basic knowledge we need to have here. Okay, then only you can able to have a good understanding. Again, I am telling you, this is required only for who don't know Python and who is coming from freshly attending this session. Okay, if you are familiar with the Python and you have the good knowledge on the Python, please skip these videos, guys. Okay, so then we go for okay, this I think we have already seen, right? The understanding semantic in Python and variable assignment, we have seen already this. Okay, so for example, I given one variable as age is equal to 31 and I given name equal to Abhinantu. Okay, so now I'm just trying to see what is the type of age. My type of age is integer. And what is the type of name? The type of name is string. Right, the type of name is string. That's it, guys. So, and also I'm just trying to see inside the type reference. Okay, inside the reference, so it's a kind of like taking a class integer and a class string. Okay, so finally I give you some example for the indentation. Okay, so to get the indentation, so for example, if you see here, I'm just giving the if statement. If true, okay, if true, print correct indentation. If false, print the ONT print. Okay, and also this print, okay, this print is not coming inside this false if statement. Okay, it is coming in true statement, and also one more print I have giving the outside of if block. Okay, so now if you see the output, so correct indentation, this will print outside if block. Okay, that's it, guys. So today's class we have seen about the semantic and syntax, indentation, and also multi-commenting and backslash for continue lining, and we have seen some examples how it is getting work. Okay guys, see you next class. Thank you.